Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how we divert our gutter the other way. As you can see, we have a little bit of damage on the outside corner here and water was leaking into the basement. So that's not good. So first off, we use these tools. No clue what these are called. You don't have to use these tools. This is just what we found. But there was a little pin connecting. You can see it's off now, but right here underneath the tool, there was a little pin connecting this piece of the gutter. So we just got this little tool, grabbed it. We're going to throw the bottom part away anyways. So we just kind of grabbed it with the tool and we're making it bigger so we can shimmy it off. You can see we gave it a little tap and then it comes right off. Again, no clue what we're doing, but we don't want water going into the basement and we don't want any more damage there. So we went to the local big box store and we bought 2 pieces of gutter. Of course, there's different shapes and, you know, the way they go, different sizes. But these were only $4 and some change. So less than $10 to do this. And you can see this is the gutter piece that we got. Brand new. Look at how cool this looks. So basically, we got this and we are going to connect this piece to the bottom of the gutter. And then we got another piece. Instead of it going straight out beside the house, we kind of wanted it to divert to kind of go out away from the house. So then we bought this piece too. So we're just connecting it together. So that way it just completely doesn't go anywhere near the house and it doesn't get into the basement. So yeah, we basically had to really shimmy it in. As you can see the bottom here, it's kind of, you know, it's not exactly smooth. So there was a lot of shimmying it in and you just kind of had to work it. We got the tool and kind of had to crimp the bottom in ever so slightly just so it would fit. We did not end up putting any kind of pin in. And as you can see, this is the final product. And it works. Water does not now go next to the basement. It does not go lateral to the house. It kind of just goes out towards the street. And that's what we wanted. So yeah, under $10 to divert the gutter. If we can do it, anybody can do it. Thanks for watching. Share the video.